I'm making tanghulu, but it's quite unhealthy, so I'm gonna burn off the calories after. Water. Transfer. Microwave. While that's in the microwave, we're gonna make some ice water in a bowl. I dip the fruit into the like sugar water thing after the microwave, and then dip it in an ice bath. Or try it. I only dipped one side. It's not worth the hype.